Hey, what's going on? I'm Bill DeWeese, pro voiceover talent and voiceover career coach. Yes, my Black Friday sale is coming very soon, so hang tight. More details coming soon. All I'll tell you is this. It's a lot of really great voiceover training to help prepare you to build a profitable, lucrative career in voiceover at a really, really low price, and it's coming very soon. More details on that coming. Today, I want to talk to you about the value of two reads. Not just in auditions. I recorded a video a while back about the power of doing two takes for an audition. But recently, when I say recently, I'd say within the past year or so, I've begun giving two takes to clients for paid projects, not just auditions, but for paid projects that are shorter form types of reads. For instance, if it's e-learning, a longer form, I don't. I get approval, through the audition process or sending a sample to make sure I'm kind of dialed into what they want. And so I'll do one take of that because frankly, I'm not interested in taking like a 1 hour script and giving them two takes just to give them an option when we can take care of that on the front end. However, when I'm getting a job that's a commercial or a promo or like an explainer video or corporate job, something say that's about 3 minutes in length or shorter, just as a matter of practice now, I'm giving them two options. And usually those two options are based on, very broadly speaking, a higher energy, more performance type read, and a lower energy, or really a more personalized, conversational read. And what I found is that my clients really like that. They feel like it's extra value. They're getting more for their money. They're getting an option. And plus, it keeps them, it at least minimizes the back and forth. Because you know what it's like. Those of you who have done this for a while and you're recording for clients, and they'll send it back with feedback and saying, well, can we make this a little less commercial or marketing sounding and a little more conversational? Or it might be the opposite. Hey, can we make this a little more salesy? Can we give it a little more energy, a little more power, a little more punch? So if you give them both up front, you're going above and beyond. And clients love voiceover talent that make their lives easier. Recently I was having a conversation with a studio engineer in St. Louis, and he told me something that stuck in my head. And what he said was, a voiceover talent begins to lose a client during the first session, meaning that the writing is on the wall that usually, we will be replaced by somebody else further down the line, especially when it comes to commercial. Not as much for like e-learning or corporate work, but for commercial work for sure. Because new agencies take over an account or new decision makers within the creative department of the client, they change and they decide to do a new campaign, or they want to rebrand, or they want to freshen up the sound. And so it has nothing to do with whether you're good or not or your talent level. It's just they want to change. And so the minute we begin working with a client, in that respect, our days are numbered. Now, what we can do is we can extend the life of that relationship by making it easier for our client. And when we give them options, when we deliver on time and we make their life easier, when we deliver quickly and we honor our commitments, when we communicate and let clients know what's going on, that makes it easier for them to stay with us. Because to give you up would then mean they may have to take on somebody else that may not communicate as well, who may not meet deadlines as well as you do. And so as many variables that you can take away, the fewer questions they have about, whether this is going to work for them, whether they can get this project done on time, the easier it is for them to hold on to you. So by giving two reads, it's just a way of making it a little bit easier. So what I've done, I'm going to pull up a script here. I just want to give you a brief example of how I would approach this. So here's a project I've been working on. It's a promotional piece for LexisNexis Insurance. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you two reads. The first read, I'll do one that's a little more in the sales, marketing, promotional, presentational type of read. All right, so let's just do that first. A little higher energy. Your new insurance consumers are out there, but reaching them can be a challenge. If you've been trying to reach prospective customers with the same marketing strategy, and if you're getting the same disappointing results, it's time for something new. There's a science to making the right offer to the right prospect at just the right time, but only a small group of insurance marketers are using it. When you use consumers' credit insights, you can find and convert the best prospects. LexisNexis Insurance Prescreen helps you. Oh, there's an extra word in there. Take that out. Oops. LexisNexis Insurance Prescreen helps you find prospects with the right risk profiles and reach them with accurate, up-to-date contact information. With smart, data-driven consumer insights, you can make the right pitch to the right prospect at the right time. Great insights, powered by LexisNexis Insurance Prescreen, can help you get great results. Okay, so there it's a little more energy. I'm kind of speaking out to the back of the auditorium, and it's got a little. It's on the higher energy side of things. I'm not selling cars. It's not that kind of read. It wouldn't be appropriate. But for what it is, that's what we've got. Okay. Excuse me, I live on coffee when I'm recording. So the second take, I'm going to bring the audience in a little closer. One person about 6 inches away, and we're going to have a little more of, it's going to be lower key and a little more of an intimate conversation. Your new insurance consumers are out there, but reaching them can be a challenge. If you've been trying to reach prospective customers with the same marketing strategy, and if you're getting the same disappointing results, it's time for something new. There's a science to making the right offer to the right prospect at just the right time, but only a small group of insurance marketers are using it. When you use consumers' credit insights, you can find and convert the best prospects. LexisNexis Insurance Prescreen helps you find prospects with the right risk profiles and reach them with accurate, up-to-date contact information. With smart, data-driven consumer insights, you can make the right pitch to the right prospect at the right time. Great insights, powered by LexisNexis Insurance Prescreen, can help you get great results. So, at first, I'm kind of pushing it out there. I'm selling it. The second, I'm bringing them in a little bit closer, and I'm making it more of an intimate conversation. But the point is, by giving them two options, they're like, oh, okay. They can pass it around the office. Well, what do you like best? What do you think? I'm going above and beyond what they might get from somebody else. So, hopefully you'll find this helpful in not only getting clients, but keeping clients. Because really, the key to success in voiceover, from a profitability perspective, is not just getting clients, it's keeping them. Because what's hard is losing clients and going out and having to find new ones. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope that you will like, share, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget, my annual voiceover training Black Friday sale is coming very soon. More details on the way. Talk to you soon.